Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to episode number 9 here on season 2. And today we are getting into is Chime a scam? And multiple other questions that have been asked about Chime. The main portion of this question comes from Emileo Agustin. And he/she says, where do people deposit money like if it's cash? Is there a monthly statement like other banks? Is it safe to have money in there or a scam like many secret fees? What type of service do they offer? Let's say I like it, but I don't like the card. Can I customize it? Can I order checks and all that? Compare it to Bank of America, Chase. What are the pros, the cons, so on and so forth. And then other questions that I've been getting about Chime is it a prepaid card or is it an actual bank account card, debit card? So let's go ahead and without further ado, let's get into it real quick. So it's not a prepaid card. It is an actual bank. It's just a bank without a brick and mortar building. So they're able to basically limit a whole lot of costs because they don't have to have cash or bank tellers and all that kind of stuff. They basically use ATMs and that kind of thing to operate the bank, and then also through their app, and then they have support and that kind of stuff. They have a customer service center as well. That pretty much sums that question up. Is it a scam? Do they have any secret fees? No, it's not a scam. They don't have any secret fees. I've never actually lost any money in that bank, and all my transfers that I've made going into Chime and then going out of my Chime account into my Navy Federal account have been fee-free, basically, is the way to put it. When I go to pay with a card, no extra fees are there. When you go to pull money out of an ATM, they do compensate you for those fees up to a certain amount. So I think I pulled money out probably like 3 months ago out of my Chime account with my card from an ATM, and there was like a $2 fee, and they comped me the $2 for that fee. So pretty solid, a pretty overall happy experience with the actual Chime platform and Chime banking to begin with. But let's go ahead and get into more of the questions that regards to the Chime actual platform. What you got to do in order to figure out where to deposit cash is you go to your main account and then you click on the actual app. There's going to be an app that says ATMs, or so ATMs cash back right here is where you're going to go. On the app, it'll be the same thing. So it'll zoom out until it finds some banks right here. It looks like there's 3. The ones that are green, the US Bank right here, Lakeside, Albertsons. So the ones that are green, the ones that are blue, you can pull money out of. You can get cash back with a purchase, right? This one's the same cash back with a purchase, probably. Yeah, Walgreens cash back with a purchase. The ones that are green, however, you can do deposits as well. So what you do is basically you go to the cashier and you say, hey, I'd like to deposit. You give them the money and you would say, I'd like to deposit this amount into the account, and they can take care of that for you. That's actually going to be on the support page, and I will post a link to the actual answer to that question in the comments, so that way you can go there and look, and it's pretty easy to do from my understanding. You just basically tell the cashier, I want to put this amount of money onto this card, and they say, okay, and then they just go ahead and take care of it for you. So the ones that are green can do that for you. Is there monthly statements? Of course there's monthly statements. Like, look, this is the monthly statement right here for December. It's like, boom, right here, like other banks. Pretty much, so this is a PDF form. Boom, everything right there. Cool, super easy. Next was, what type of services do they offer? So they do offer pretty much standard checkings account and a savings account. And the savings account draws no APR except for 10% for what's been basically deposited in there via roundup. Other than that, then they don't pay any interest on the actual savings account from my understanding. So they offer both those. They offer these rewards right here. However, on the mobile app, I don't think that they have it anymore, but it seems like they're getting away from the rewards part of it. This was a big reason why I signed up originally. That's pretty much the main perk that they have, besides just their usual checking and spending savings account. They don't offer any like investment type of accounts. But, I mean, there are other apps out there that do that kind of thing. Say if you don't like the card, can you get a customized card? Unfortunately, with Chime, there's the standard card that they have, and that's it. You can't change it up. They don't have, like, a Bank of America. I think Bank of America can get a custom, like, if you like the Padres or whatever, you can get a customized card. It's pretty much going to be like that, all except not as blue. Mine had ink that's built on it, but that'll be what it looks like. You can order checks. The only issue is that they don't actually, like, give you, like, paper checks. You have to order them through the account, and you can send them to the person's address. So for that, you go to Move Money, I believe, and then you go to Pay Bills, and you go to Chime Checkbook. And then from there, you can type in a business name or an individual's name. You give them the name, the street address, suite, city, state, and the amount, and then you, boom, mail the check. and it'll mail. So that's pretty nice technology right there. That way you don't got to fill out a check by yourself, and you can send it. The only thing is that you can't pay for something right then and there with the actual check. And then lastly, what are the pros and cons compared to like Bank of America or like a Washington Mutual, Wells Fargo, JP Chase Morgan? The pros with using Chime is that they don't charge a monthly fee. It's completely free for the services that they offer. However, with that, they don't have a brick and mortar store, so that is at sometimes inconvenient. And they also are currently working on developing mobile check deposit. So unless you have another bank that you can do mobile deposit with, Chime is not really that friendly when it comes into regards with mobile deposit. Where Bank of America, Washington Mutual, Wells Fargo, those big banks are going to have that mobile deposit already available, so you can scan your check in. So going about depositing checks into your account, I have no clue how I would go about doing that at this point. Right now, that's why I have a Navy Federal account that I usually transfer money over into my Chime account. And Chime is actually like, I use it for like our like little spending account. So it's like, hey, if we're going out for coffee, I use Chime. But if we're making big purchases, then I use Navy Federal. Outside of that, they also, another con, I guess, that Chime has is that they don't offer other financial services. They don't offer loans. They don't offer car loans. They don't offer a whole lot of other banking things that you're going to get out of Bank of America or a Wells Fargo. So they're limited in that. But I think that if they have the ability to grow and continue to make this online app more usable, more user-friendly, I think that it's definitely something that is new technology. And so I would look forward to seeing it definitely move forward in the future. Especially mobile deposit, I think, is one big thing that I would like to see them do. That's a big push that I would like to see them make moving forward. Anyways, let's go ahead and wrap it up right there. No questions today because this is a super long episode. If you have any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business, Etsy, coaching, post those questions down below, and I will try to get them on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe up here and check out my Stash Recap No December edition. Check out the other video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.